हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल लर्न गुरु आशीष में। आप लोगों ने अगर प्रीवियस का वीडियो भी देखा होगा तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि अभी मार्च से हम लोगों ने डे बाय डे करंट अफेयर स्टार्ट किया है। जैसे 1 से 2 मार्च का अपलोड कर दिया गया है, 1 से 2 मार्च हो गया, 3 से 4 मार्च का अपलोड कर दिया गया है, 5 से 6 मार्च का अपलोड कर दिया गया है और 7 से 8 मार्च का अपलोड कर दिया गया है। और आज जो हम लोग का सेशन चल रहा है ये चल रहा है 9 से 10 मार्च का करंट अफेयर। ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग जो है डे बाय डे करंट अफेयर करवा रहे हैं आप लोगों को, जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड। ओके, सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल लर्न गुरु आशीष टू गेट डेली अपडेटेड करंट अफेयर्स वीडियो। काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं गाइस, सो प्लीज़ एक लाइक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है। सो प्रीवियस में भी काफ़ी करंट अफेयर के वीडियोस अपलोडेड हैं, मार्च के पहले का भी वीडियोस अपलोडेड है, जनवरी फेब का भी। सो प्लीज़ आप लोग जा कर के चेक कर सकते हैं। और चलिए अभी विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर विल भारत शक्ति द जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द 3 आर्मीज ऑफ इंडिया बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? ए श्रीनगर, बी उधमपुर, सी जैसलमेर और डी अल्मोड़ा। द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, जैसलमेर। भारत शक्ति द जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द 3 आर्मीज ऑफ इंडिया बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एट जैसलमेर। द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी। Moving into our next question, question number 2. Which country became the 97th member to ratify the International Solar Alliance? A. Panama, B. Brazil, C. India or D. United States? The right answer will be option A, Panama. Panama is the country who became the 97th member to ratify the International Solar Alliance. Now moving into our next question, question number 3. Who set the world record for the bowling the fastest ball in the history of women's cricket? A. Elisa Perry, B. Jhulan Goswami, C. Megan Studd or D. Sabnam Ismail? The right answer will be option D, Sabnam Ismail. Sabnam Ismail set the world record for bowling the fastest ball in the history of women's cricket. Now moving into our next question, question number 4. Where will हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान कैंपेन स्टार्ट? ए. बीकानेर, बी. चंडीगढ़, सी. अहमदाबाद और डी. पुणे? द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए, बीकानेर। हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान कैंपेन स्टार्टेड एट बीकानेर। नाउ मूविंग इनटू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Where does the India by the Creek festival take place? A. Mumbai, B. Dubai, C. Goa or D. Rajasthan? The right answer will be option B, Dubai. India by the Creek festival take place at Dubai. Now moving into our next question, question number 6. Who has been nominated to Rajya Sabha on the occasion of International Women's Day 2024? A. Sudha Murthy, B. Kiran Kher, C. Jaya Bachchan or D. Hema Malini? The right answer will be option A, Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy has been nominated to Rajya Sabha on the occasion of International Women's Day 2024. Now moving into our next question, question number 7. Who has got the first place in the National Youth Parliament Festival 2024? A. Vaishnav Pichai, B. Kanishka Sharma, C. Yatin Bhaskar or D. Suman Kumari? The right answer will be option C, C. Yatin Bhaskar. Yatin Bhaskar has got the first place in the National Youth Parliament Festival 2024. Now moving into our next question, question number 8. Which is the 32nd member country included in the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? A. Port Blair, B. USA, C. Sweden, or D. Montenegro? The right answer will be option C. Sweden. Sweden becomes NATO's 32nd member. Now moving to our next question, question number 9. What was the theme of International Women's Day 2024? A. Women and World, B. Inspire Inclusion, C. Women's Powerful Than Men's, D. Let's Break. The right answer will be option B. Inspire Inclusion. The theme of International Women's Day 2024 is Inspire Inclusion, and it is celebrated on 8th March. Now, next question, question number 10. Indian Coast Guard will commence joint exercise Sea Defender 2024 in Port Blair with A. USA, B. Indonesia, C. Japan, or D. Australia. The right answer will be option A. USA. Indian Coast Guard will commence joint exercise Sea Defender 2024 in Port Blair with the USA. Indian and US Coast Guard Joint Maritime Exercise Sea Defender 2024. Now moving into our next question, question number 11. Operation Kamdhenu is being carried out by which state police? A. Ladakh, B. Jammu Kashmir, C. Himachal Pradesh, or D. Uttarakhand. The right answer will be option B. Jammu Kashmir. Operation Kamdhenu is being carried out by Jammu Kashmir State Police. Jammu and Kashmir Police launches Operation Kamdhenu to combat cattle smuggling. Now moving into our next question, question number 12. Which country officially joined NATO, becoming its 32nd member? A. Finland, B. Switzerland, C. Sweden, or D. Norway. The right answer will be option C. Sweden. Sweden is the country officially joined NATO, becoming its 32nd member. और नाटो का फुल फॉर्म आप लोग को पता होना चाहिए. N for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Now moving into our next question, question number 13. Which is India's largest oil company that will start manufacturing fuel used in Formula 1 racing? A. BPCL, B. IOC, C. HPCL, or D. RIL. The right answer will be option B. IOC. Indian Oil takes the lead producing racing fuel for Formula 1. Next question, question number 14. Where was the commissioning ceremony of INAS 334 Seahawk held? A. INS Garuda Kochi, B. INS Vikramaditya Mumbai, C. INS Chakra Visakhapatnam, or D. INS Arihant Port Blair. The right answer will be option A. INS Garuda Kochi. INS Garuda Kochi, the commissioning ceremony of INAS 334 Seahawk held. Now moving into our next question, question number 15. In which northeastern state has the Sela tunnel been built? A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Manipur, or D. Sikkim? The right answer will be option B, Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh state, the Sela tunnel has been built. Now moving to our next question, question number 16. Para Shooting World Cup 2024 is being organized in which country? A. India, B. China, C. Kenya, or D. Indonesia? The right answer will be option A, India. And India में भी कहाँ? तो Delhi. Now moving into our next question, question number 17. Who has been crowned Miss World 2024? A. Sini Shetty, B. Christina Saikova, C. Yasmina, or D. Hima Jain? The right answer will be option B, Christina Saikova. Moving into our next question, question number 18. Which two squadrons received the President's Standard? A. 45 Squadron and 11 Base Repair Depot, B. 221 Squadron and 509 Signal Unit, C. 45 Squadron and 221 Squadron, D. 11 Base Repair Depot and 509 Signal Unit. And the right answer will be option C, 45 Squadron and 221 Squadron. Now option C. Now moving into our next question, question number 19. Now moving into our next question, question number 19. Who won the award for Best Creative for Social Change at the National Creator Award 2024? A. Ranveer Singh, B. Jaya Kisori, C. Maithili Thakur, or D. Mohan Shah? The right answer will be option B, Jaya Kisori. Jaya Kisori won the award for Best Creative for Social Change at the National Creator Award 2024. Moving into our next question, question number 20. Which country officially joined NATO, becoming its 32nd member? A. Sweden, B. Finland, C. Norway, or D. Denmark? The right answer will be option A, Sweden. Sweden becomes NATO's 32nd member. सो आज करंट अफेयर का सेशन यहीं पे समाप्त हुआ. आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. सो ऐसे ही अपडेटेड करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें एंड फॉलो करें. So please do like and subscribe to our channel Learn Grow Ashish. Thanks for watching.